Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to day 4 of Writer's Workshop. Are all of my fish writers ready to get started? Good. Boys and girls, today our focus is going to be writing a reason to support our opinion and adding words with blends and digraphs. There's some materials that you're going to need. You need your iPad with the timer set for 15 minutes, a pencil, and the writing paper that you started. If you don't have those items, I want you to pause the video and go and get them now. Great. Now let's review what a reason is. A reason tells why you think or feel a certain way. Reasons give your opinion power. When you're writing your reason, remember that you can use the magic word because. Here's an example of a reason. Pepperoni pizza is the best because it is a little spicy and I love spicy foods. So it's giving you a specific reason of why pepperoni pizza is the best. Now when you're using the word because, you need to remember that there are some boo-boos you could run into, and we want to stay away from saying things that would be a boo-boo. For example, because I like it, because it is neat, or because it is cool is a boo-boo. You're not being specific enough. Instead, what I want you to do is say why you like it. Why is it neat, or what makes it cool? Are you ready to get started? Perfect. Now I have a sample that I started about my favorite drink. So let's look at that. My opinion statement is, my favorite thing to drink is sweet tea. So I decided to make that my first complete sentence, and I'm going to write a second sentence with my reason. So I'm going to start a new sentence right here, and I'm going to start it out, I like it because it is cold and refreshing. Boys and girls, now it's time for you to write your reason of why you shared your opinion. So you're going to get your writing paper that you had started, the one about your favorite book, and you are going to tell me your reason of why you selected that book. Why is it your favorite? I'm going to challenge you to write a separate sentence for your reason, just like I did today. So pause the video and go ahead and write your reason. Boys and girls, I can't wait to read your reasons. I'm sure your teacher's going to be thrilled too. Make sure you put your writing paper back in your work folder so you'll have it for tomorrow. If your teacher has you keep it somewhere else, then definitely put your writing paper where your teacher has you store it. You are all done with your writing workshop for today, so you can check it off on your activity list and go on to your next choice.